Ever dreamed of blowing up on YouTube? The idea of recording yourself, editing footage, and writing scripts sounds like pure torture. Yeah, same. But what if I told you there's a way to grow your channel without ever showing your face, touching a camera, or learning Premiere Pro? Let me show you how I automate the entire YouTube content machine. And no, this isn't one of those spend 10 hours to save one hacks. This is real automation that frees up your time and builds authority on autopilot. Step 1, turn ideas into scripts without writing a word. Start with a simple prompt in ChatGPT like, write a 3-minute YouTube script about how to build a business with no money. Boom, instant script. Clear, on topic, and even formatted for voiceover. You can tweak the tone once, save the prompt, and generate fresh videos every week. Step 2, let I speak for you. Instead of awkwardly recording voiceovers, use ElevenLabs to turn your text into a natural sounding voice, yours or someone cooler. Add tone, pacing, even emotional delivery. Think Morgan Freeman narrating your side hustle. Step 3, put a face to the voice without using yours. With HeyGen, that voice gets paired with a talking avatar that looks confident, trustworthy, and totally not like someone still editing videos in their mom's basement. The result? A full video, scripted, voiced, and visually engaging without you lifting more than a few fingers. Now I know what you're thinking. Okay, but does this really work? I get it. I thought the same thing until one of my AI-made videos started getting more traction than the ones I spent hours filming myself. This isn't theory. It's exactly how I create content now, weekly, with zero burnout, and you don't have to figure it all out on your own. Click the link in the description to get viral videos made for you and growing loyal subscribers without spending time filming and editing. No guesswork, no camera, just results. Let AI do the work. You take the credit